Hi, I'm here to do an easy seated Qi Gong video with you today. And I have a pet, so know that you can always have anything with you. And this is easy. You can do this in bed if you'd like. You can sit on the floor. We're going to do some easy stuff that helps you feel great and still helps you with medical Qi Gong. So we're going to take one arm out to the side, take the opposite hand to the shoulder, and as you're ready, exhale and just sweep down as far as you can down that arm. If you need to bring it a little forward, that's fine. Flip the palm of the bottom hand and slide back up as you inhale. Don't worry if you don't have the breathing yet. We'll do this a couple times. Exhaling down the other arm, flipping the palm, inhaling in. Always inhaling toward the body. Trying that again. Down the arm, exhale. Inhale toward the body. Chest turns naturally. Exhaling and inhaling. And now let's take hands to the sides and just sweep down the sides toward the hips. Exhale. Come to the stomach. Inhale. Let's come to our sternum and just lightly tap. Like you're waking it up, and you can hear kind of a resonance, like a drum. So we're stimulating our immune system, getting it online. All the Qigong I practice is medical Qigong, so it will help you feel better. And feel free to read books on it. It is amazing. Tapping. Let's move to our elbow with a cupped hand. And if you have a sleeping animal, you can be very quiet. Very quiet. It doesn't have to be a loud sound. You want your hand to be cupped so that the air, you can kind of hear it there. And that moves your lymph system. It gets your immune system online. And it gets you flowing. Let's try it under the armpit. Just stimulating the lymph. Take a moment to feel the difference in that arm. Can you feel that that arm is more relaxed than the other one? So let's try that on the other side. And just feeling if your elbow is sticky, like if you rub and it feels sticky, that means that lymph is getting stuck. And so this is what helps to clear it. We are actually clearing lymph as we brush the body, as we do this. And you'll feel it get less sticky as we go along. And you might want to go back to it later if it's still sticky and just do a few more of these. Under the armpit too. And it's not the kind of stickiness from sweat. It's just a sticky feeling of something not moving. So just notice, because we'll do a lot for our lymph with Qigong. So if you've got some sticky stuff, we can work with that. Pause that for a moment and bring hands to heart center and just breathe. Inhale and exhale. And imagine in your heart center, green light expanding in every direction. Being surrounded by the green light that comes from your heart as though it just pours out. And the back of your heart is open. Feel the back of the heart open, just as open as the front. That's where you get energy renewal. So we want that open. We want that online. And if you have a Qigong or Chinese medicine practitioner, they can run a hand along you and see if that's online or not. So feel the back of your heart opening. Our body follows our intention when it's soft. And let's drop the hands down to lower dantian, our power center, our intuition. 3 finger widths below the belly button. Hands can be on the body or close to the body. And just imagine as you breathe in, you expand this area. And as you exhale, it contracts. And imagine that everything from your mind is dropped down to lower dantian and tucked in there for a later date. Your intuition will tell you when the right time